larger scale in India?
In my estimate, I believe that between this quarter and the coming quarter, we should actually expect about 10,000 new jobs. The profile is very basic, qualification criteria being diploma holders with electrical and electronics background. Compensation would be around 16,000, the gross compensation. Also, we're noticing that customers or organizations in this area, they are looking at hiring people who stay about 100 kilometers away from the plants. There's also inclination to hire more women. All lodging, food, all these kind of benefits are being provided by these customers. So I think sounds encouraging, and we are hopeful that this trend in the days to come might get amplified if the next 2 quarters go on.
It's also important to note that a lot of the mandates are coming in where hiring is for candidates who stay about 100 kilometers away or beyond from the manufacturing plant. This is important because this shows that the companies are not only recruiting people of that particular locality, but are also interested in hiring people from across states. Recruitment industry expert Mr. Kamal Karant has mentioned that there will be about 3,000 to 5,000 people getting hired in each of these plants.
The PLI scheme, or the Production Linked Incentive Scheme, has generated interest from about 12 handset manufacturers so far. Now, what does that mean to the employment generation scene? You have to look at that in about 3 different phases. The phase 1 is when they come set up shop, where we are expecting close to 25 to 35,000 jobs to be generated in the first 18 months. And over a 5-year period, which is the kind of the ultimate stage we are looking at, we are talking about 15 lakh jobs that can get generated through PLI scheme. Now, 90% of these jobs are at a shop floor level, which means that increased employment generation at the bottom of the pyramid. The third significant phase of this employment generation would come from these companies when they create high-tech jobs in R&D, engineering and technology, which could generate high-paying salaries in about 7,000 to 10,000 jobs at that phase. So if you look at the 3 phases, we're getting ahead of ourselves at this point of time, but clearly the green shoots are there, things look positive. All it requires right now is their investment and regulatory processes to be clear.
It has to be remembered that the telecom sector, under a debt of over 7 lakh crore, is right now at a stage when we have only 3 operators. But what is really growing is the mobile phone industry. These PLI schemes come at a time when the sector desperately needs more growth and more employees. For example, Telecom Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad had earlier mentioned that the potential of these PLI schemes is that it can generate 3 lakh direct employment and 9 lakh indirect employees. This, of course, is over a large period of time of around 4 to 5 years. So, keeping that growth direction in mind, this 50,000 employees by December is definitely a good start for the sector.